Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the timer knob on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So as you can see here, our washer is missing its timer knob. So we have nothing to take off to show you how that goes right now, but we will grab our new one and we'll show you how that's done. So here's our new OEM replacement timer knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So if you take a look at it here, there's a bolt with threads on it. This has got some threads on the inside here. So we're just going to simply take it, line it all up, and screw it on. Now it all turns. When you pull it out, you can't unscrew it that way, no matter how hard you try. But if you push it in, you can unscrew it, and that's how you can replace an old broken knob. So we'll put this back on, screw it on, and there we go. Simple as that. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.